Welcome to the presentation video of our project for the Extended Reality course at Karlsruhe University of Applied Sciences in cooperation with realvirtual. Here you can see the complete scene designed and implemented in Unity. The ASRS model was provided by realvirtual as a base. We were assigned the task of palletizing boxes being outputted by the ASRS. To accomplish this, we divided the task into three subtasks: output management, palletization, and pallet transportation. To manage the output from the ASRS, we extended the outbound conveyor and added sensors coupled with a program to enable box separation. A UR30 robot picks the boxes at the end of the outbound conveyor and places them on a pallet, which is then moved along another conveyor. The master program handles communication and signaling between the three subtasks, as well as requesting new output from the ASRS. Empty pallets are delivered by a forklift, while a second forklift handles the full pallets. We also added functionalities to directly interact with the entire system within a virtual environment. The robot can be started and stopped using a button at the pallet conveyor, which can also be activated with the controller. With the VR player, you can move throughout the whole scene by using the joysticks and interact with it using the controller buttons. The info panel displays the number of boxes palletized so far, the number of full pallets handled by forklifts, and the current runtime. By pressing A on the controller, you can enter a forklift and ride along as it autonomously carries out its tasks. Pressing the button again returns you to your previous position. Using the controller, you can also grab boxes from the conveyor. This does not affect the process. Thank you for your attention.